Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio where I've been using these Filterbuy filters for my air conditioning system. It's hard to actually even get it all in camera because this is a large one. As I don't have the equipment to measure how many particles this actually catches, I can only tell you what my personal experience has been. This is a synthetic filter, which is supposed to be much more effective. I've used them, seems to be working fine. They are true to size, which sometimes these things are not, and this has been. It is a MERV 8 quality filtration, so yeah, it's definitely supposed to be a better product than a standard fiberglass style filter. I've really had a lot of success with it. This is my second batch, which I've bought and I have used. So I thought I'd come here and let you know that these are absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, at least for effectiveness in Doug's life. I'm pretty sure you'll find the same. We'll see you next time.